Okay, I told it to tell me where I am. I don't know yet where I am. So let's head upstream some more. On the river. There's hunters on both sides of the river. Surely they know better than hunting towards the river, right? That should be a big no-no. It says on my GPS I'm heading southwest. Hello! Just want them to know where I am. See, I'm not very alone. I wonder if I called help if anybody would come to help me, you see? Of course, when it's windy, you can't hear much. The sound gets moved on the wind. You can't go bird watching in the wind. Can't hear anything. I have a little joke to tell you. There was once an inebriated man who was having a bath. And he was playing with his boats. He had little toy boats in the bathtub with him. And one of the boats sunk. Or no, it was dipping to, the head was going in. Listing 45 degrees, whatever that means. So he called the coastguard. Not a word of a lie. Oh my, look who's here. Called the Coast Guard, and the Coast Guard people, he said, I've got a man overboard, and my ship is listing 45 degrees, and I have a man overboard. Of course, the man overboard was himself, They told that to the Coast Guard. The Coast Guard went and searched and searched and searched. They could tell that his signal was coming somewhere off the coast of Norway, or Sweden, I guess, Stockholm area. But he wasn't on the phone long enough to really have them pin it down. And so then, after a while, he phoned them again. Mayday, mayday. My vessel is listing 45 degrees and I've got one man overboard, which was himself. And it wasn't long after that before someone came to the door, and he was charged $10,000 for sending the Coast Guard on a wild goose chase. Isn't that cool? It's a wonderful story. Want to see where we're going? We're on the Moira River. There are a lot of blue herons on the Moira River. Every time my boat turns, my little GPS thing turns. We're going southwest. Now we're going south. Oh, look. There is yet another blue heron. Straight ahead. Can you see him? I would like to think that you could see some of these birds that I'm showing you. Well, we're in this still place. I'm out here on the river! Don't shoot me! This is a nice little spot, isn't it? As long as no idiot shoots me. Go away, dear! Run for your lives! Keep away from me! Keep away from the hunter, too. Sinking it. Don't shoot! I'm on the river! I wonder how far away I can hear a gun. And I wonder how far away they can hear me yell. Just wanted them to know what part of the river I'm on now. And if I keep talking, it's a good chance that they'll know where I am. At least the deer won't be between me and them. The deer will flee from all my noise. Then they won't shoot at the deer in my direction. Hello, hello! Face your fears, I say. Face your fears. We're still going upstream on the Moira River. And it is mighty beautiful. It's a wide river, isn't it? I used to live on the Oconee River. O-C-C-O-N-E-E, I think it is. It was in my backyard. But now I don't live on a river. They're everywhere, but I don't live on them. Oh, you're supposed to be looking out there, not at me. I'm just boring. I'm an old lady. You can't stop talking. Blah, 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 blah. We're going to turn around. See where we are. I guess we also need to know what time it is. It's 2 o'clock. I guess we better go downstream now. See if we can film some more of those blue herons. I wonder if you saw any of them. I've been filming all the ones that pass. Kayak moves so fast, and you know how it is with all that. The camera doesn't focus where I want it to. So we're near Belleville. Don't shoot! Perhaps I need a whistle. Then I could be a whistle blower, wouldn't that be fun? I did it. I came